Okay. Let's go. Sometimes it feels like you're the size of that truck. Maybe I should get 2 yellow lights as that guy. Anyway. This engine doesn't feel slow in the X7. It's kind of good news. When you're kind of used to the professional cluster here, it's like you kind of like it. I mean, the navigation is not even on, but it's still processing a lot of things. And knowing it's a BMW is probably not that boring or probably even fun to drive at speed. Is it 100 on this little road? Okay, I need to overtake this sucker. Oh, I cannot do that right now. I mean, it's a kind of strange feeling. It's like when the X5 came out. You like have a huge car, but it's a BMW feeling to it, which I say is very positive. You're sitting really high up in this. It feels safe. It feels very safe. Such a large car. So it's 60 here. Don't want to get stuck in the queues. I would just like to push it a little bit to see how it feels when pushed. I need to do a U-turn over here. Wow, these dials is very nice. Quality. I mean, it's really a 7 series feeling to it. Leather here and the aluminum here. You know what? I need to make a U-turn over here. Let's do that. I mean, look at this navigation. This is... Oh, what's this? Yeah, something with the third row seats, sorry. Something with a third row of seats and something with my German. Kind of the same. Or like, probably a larger fault with my German than the third rear seat. Yeah, I need to go back now so I don't be late. How can I do... You think I'll be able to do a U-turn over here? Oh yeah, I mean the car, this sucker is huge. No, it's not safe. It's annoying when you just want to turn around and you come into all these roads that you don't even want to be on, just because you want to do a U-turn. Wow, now I notice the dashboard is it leather? It feels somewhat, maybe not like leather, but something in between. I like the stitching here, anyway. Jesus Christ, yep, I need to do a U-turn here. Like, U-turn on U-turn on U-turn. Okay, let's do a U-turn. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, I'll do one over here. And like that. And university. That went... Oh, it's green. No, it's not. Damn. Wow, this is really nice. I think I found this on the 5 Series as well. You look in the rearview mirror that the cars behind you are really far behind. It's like 2 cars behind you in length. And it's funny, I even have a sport heads-up display. It's like, yeah, I feel like such a race driver. Wow, you can steer this from the rear? That's crazy. Wow. Okay, let's go. Let's push it. That's crazy. It feels fun. Did you hear that? Like a high revving cylinder. High revving 6-cylinder. In an awkward way, it feels fun pushing this car. Okay. Just feel like your ordinary BMW, albeit a bit larger by a large margin.